Mario travels across the power lines. He lands on the ground. Woo! Yeah, what a ride! And we made it to the Cascade Kingdom. Sorry, still a bit amped from capturing a power line. Must collect myself. There should be an old airship somewhere around here. Let's see if we can't find it. Cappy created a platform. Mario captured the Chain Chomp. You got a moon. The pillar falls over. Oh, we found a power moon. What a lucky break. This will come in handy to power the airship. Have you ever seen anything like it? Ah, there it is. This is what we're looking for. It's looking a bit more rough than I expected. Ah, no, it's just an older model. I'm certain it can still fly. Let's give it a shot, shall we? Just throw me on the globe over there. Huh, nothing's happening. That power moon must not have given the ship enough energy. I wonder if we could find more around here. Mario collects the stack of coins. The Chain Chomp breaks the wall. Cappy spins around Mario. Mario becomes two-dimensional. Oh my, we've gone flat, and rather blocky at that. Mario broke all of the blocks. Mario hits a hidden block. Mario finds a secret moon. Mario becomes three-dimensional. Mario kicks the rocks. What's this? You say you need to repair some silly old airship? Why, I could never part with any of my precious power moons. It sounds to me like someone wants to be a snack for my adorable Chain Chompikins. Chain Chompikins attacks Madame Broode. Mario is tired. There are 3 moons in a multi-moon. You've done it! And now we've got a multi-moon. It's as strong as 3 power moons combined. It should get the ship moving in no time. Let's see if we can't make this work. Throw me on that globe. The ship powers up. We can travel to the Sand Kingdom. The ship takes off. Cappy becomes a captain's cap.